Welcome to all of you. I am Dr. Manoranjan Nayak. Today, our topic is general science. In general science, our topic is disease and affected parts, and scientific name of vitamins also. Common disease and affected part of the body are the important for your exam, and affected part is our topic is AIDS, acquired immune deficiency syndrome. AIDS affected part is immune system of body. But test for AIDS is ELISA test, enzyme linked immunosorbent assay. That is arthritis. Arthritis affected part is joints. Asthma, bronchial muscles, cataract. Cataract affected part is eye. Conjunctivitis affected part is eye. Glaucoma affected part is eye. Diabetes mellitus, pancreatitis and blood. Dermatitis affected part is skin. Diphtheria affected part is throat, respiratory tube. Dementia affected part is brain. Dementia means short term loss memory. Then eczema affected part is skin. Goitre affected part is thyroid. Hepatitis affected part is liver. Jaundice affected part is liver. Malaria affected part is spleen. Meningitis means inflammation of brain and nervous system. The affected part of meningitis is a brain. Otitis affected part is ear. Otitis means infection of the ear. Otitis affected part is ear. Paralysis affected part is nerves and limbs. Polio affected part is legs. Pyorrhea affected part is teeth and gums. Pleurisy affected part is lungs. Rheumatism affected part is joints. Pneumonia affected part is lungs. Sinusitis affected part is facial bones. Typhoid affected part is intestine. To know about the typhoid, test name is Widal test. Widal test is meant for to know typhoid. Tuberculosis affected part is lungs. Tonsillitis, tonsil gland in throat. Bronchitis affected part is lungs. Trachoma affected part is eyes. Malaria affected part is RBC and liver. Pyorrhea affected part is gum. Sleeping sickness affected part is brain. Diarrhea affected part is intestine. Kala-Azar affected part is bone marrow. Tetanus or titanium affected part is nervous system. Cholera affected part is intestine. Plague affected part is lungs. Area between two legs. Whooping cough affected part is respiratory system. Leprosy affected part is nervous system. Gonorrhea affected part is urinary path. Syphilis affected part is urinary path. Dengue whole body, particularly head, eyes and joints. Polio throat, backbone and nerve. Influenza affected part is whole body. Chickenpox affected part is whole body. Smallpox affected part is whole body. Measles affected part is whole body. Rabies or hydrophobia, that is nervous system. Herbs affected part is skin. Herbs affected part is skin. Then come to our scientific name of vitamins. Vitamin A, that is chemical name of vitamin A is retinol. Retinol deficiency or vitamin A deficiency disease, that is color blindness and xerophthalmia. Vitamin B1 chemical name is thiamine deficiency disease is beriberi. Vitamin B2 chemical name is riboflavin deficiency disease, cracking of skin, reddish eye and cracking of tongue. Then vitamin B5, chemical name is pantothenic acid and deficiency disease is whitening of hair, mentally retardedness. Vitamin B3, niacin or nicotine, deficiency disease is pellagra or 4D syndrome. Vitamin B6, chemical name is pyridoxine and deficiency disease is anemia and skin disease. Vitamin B7, chemical name is biotin and deficiency disease is paralysis, body pain, hair falling. Then vitamin B2, that chemical name is cyanocobalamin and deficiency disease is anemia, jaundice and teroli. And vitamin C affected part is vitamin C, that is chemical name is ascorbic acid and the deficiency disease is scurvy, swelling of gums. Then after that is vitamin D, chemical name is calciferol vitamin D, a deficiency disease is rickets, West Malaysia. Then deficiency disease vitamin E chemical name is tocopherol. Then deficiency disease is loss of fertility. And vitamin K, deficient vitamin K, chemical name is phylloquinone. Deficiency disease is non-clotting blood. Another is folic acid. Deficiency disease is anemia and diarrhea. Estrogen is a meant for the female sex hormone. Testosterone is a testosterone, dihydrotestosterone and androgen are the male sex hormone which stimulate male sex characteristics, and female sex hormone is estrogen. Thanks to all. God bless all aspirants. Like, share and subscribe this channel. Wait for next video. Thanks to all. God bless all.